Good morning, everybody. Thank you for coming. Welcome to DevFest Troy 2025. We're pretty happy that everybody's here. Woohoo! Yeah. We have a really nice day set up for you. We have a really great staff of volunteers from students at RPI who are they're all volunteers. Most of them are participants in our GDG student club. This is a student-driven organization that does Google Developer Group networking kind of stuff, the same kind of thing that Yuli and I do for GDG Hudson, and I also participate in GDG Capital Region. These are all volunteer groups. They say, GDG stands for Google Developer Group. It says Google. We are not salesmen for Google. So any of the speakers, we're supported by Google because Google wants us to be using technology. It doesn't have to be Google technology, it just has to be technology. And and we're all the converts here. So, welcome.
Do some logistics first. Everyone got the yellow tape badge, right? If you didn't, ay.
Did everyone sign in? So yeah, let's make sure that you've got a badge. Where we have, if you didn't know, there's breakfast and coffee. There'll be coffee and drinks all day. We're having pizza later. Yep. And so everybody's welcome to all of that. There are bathrooms around that way, upstairs, and then also downstairs that way, and you'll see signs for it. So, and if you need anything, come find me, come find Yulia, and then any other organizers or volunteers, and we have orange name tags. I've got an open hub name tag, but you'll see it. If you're a speaker today, would you raise your hand? We have a fabulous group of speakers. These are wonderful, wonderful people. Thank you. Let's give them a big hand. Thank you.
Speakers, you're entitled for the cup or the mug. So if you didn't get yours, go to see the reception first, okay? So your yellow tag would give you the access to T-shirt and access to the sponsors.
Yeah.
Speakers getting extra bonuses like this one. And this is our mini token of appreciation, but we definitely have more.
We are recording all the sessions today. Minimum is going to be the slides and the audio. All that will be, and we'll make that available as well. We're also, as you can see, there's a camera set up here in the front. Hi, everybody. We're going to be recording sessions in here. Stay tuned. You'll be able to revisit some of these sessions. If you find something that's amazing and you just got to share it with people, we'll be able to do that. So just make sure that you know that you could be photographed, you could be videoed. We're not going to sell it. We're not doing anything. You won't get spam. It's all good. So just know that there is that where basically you're waiving your ability of privacy in relation to this this conference. So this is a two-day event. We had a workshop. We had hands-on workshops last night that were terrific, really fun and interesting, and everyone who was here got a lot out of it from what people have told me. Today we have a full roster. There'll be posters outside each room saying what the sessions are, and we'll also have handouts for that. RPI has graciously given us the space today, and so we're really, really thankful to them. It helps that I'm a faculty, and some other participants here are faculty, so that's sort of how we got in. But we really couldn't do it without RPI, and so we're very appreciative of them. I did mention GDG Hudson, which Julie and I run, and then GDG Capital Region, as well as the student group on campus that's run by a man named Sagar Sahu, who couldn't be here today. We do have other representatives from that club, so we will be doing it. Yeah, see in the back, Sravan's waving. He's got the Pluto ears. If you're not near a Google Developer Group, or you are near one, sign up for our events so that you see more. Throughout the summer, Yuli and I hosted several web-based meetings as well as in-person meetings with speakers, and we'll continue to do that. And so there are great user groups around, Google developer groups as well as other groups in the area. One of our speakers runs KSUG, Capital Area SQL Users Group. They don't do much with SQL anymore, but it's a pretty active user group, and there are other user groups in the area. And so, pay attention to that. Open Hub. Open Hub is an organization created by Yulia Avchiknova. You want us to say 2 words about it?
I would say just community development mainly, but also educational training provider. So think about me as community mama. So if you need anything, I'm here to help, babysit, help you start with your GD3 or whatever chapter you want to do. If you want to do community development, come see us. We will help you get started. We're excited to see people traveling 3 hours to get here, coming from New York City, coming from Boston, Lawrence, Binghamton, Syracuse, and such. So those are asking, are we having anything like that in our region? Rather not. We didn't hear, we didn't see, we didn't find anything like that. So if you don't, so why wouldn't you start? We'll help you. We will help you start it.
Yeah.
Okay? So our goal
support groups supporting support groups.
Yep. Our goal is just to teach you how to get together better.
We have multiple sponsors for the festival. Please, go talk to the people that have booths here. We're going to be giving out prizes later today, so stay tuned for that. From all these different sponsors have provided us with either funds or stuff or offers, or so just pay attention to that. And then there's the organizers. Where is Heman? Heman, would you stand, please? And Richard Lynn, would you stand, please? Thank you. So the 4 of us have been working all summer to put this together, and yeah.
Started really, June 1st.
Yeah, they really, I want to say we, but it's really they who deserve the credit. Our speakers, we have terrific, not everybody raised their hand before. I mean, everyone raised their hand who are here, but some of them aren't here. These are extraordinary people, and I hope that you get a lot of value out of them today. Let's see what else I want to say. We want to acknowledge the volunteers. There's Sravan with his picture.
And that's it? No,
is that
we
it?
have
no.
more. Hey guys, go update the slide. Your faces will have to be recognizable, okay?
Yeah, we'll deal with that.
We will do this during the day, okay?
So here's the agendas. We will be posting this later. We took care of the carousel, yeah? Yeah, so there'll be slides out on the TVs outside. And if you have any questions about what's next or what you should go to, come find any of us. We'll fill you in.
Before we move forward, just let's pay attention to one thing. We all begin in room 308. This is here, okay? We're starting with opening remarks and keynote address. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Then, starting 11, you transition to 3 rooms of your choice, wherever you want to go. So you see, that's why room 308 is more loaded. Okay, and then we are all getting together back at 5 p.m. at this room because we will have the panel. Cool panel, actually. Life after computer science degree.
Yeah,
everyone welcome, okay? It's kind of fireside chat and such, so it will be fun. And right after this, it will be raffle, prizes. We have a lot of gifts, thanks our sponsors. Really appreciate that. And
okay.
Let's move.
So why don't you come down? We have an event coming up in a week or 2 here at RPI. And here is Tobias to talk about it. Go ahead, Tobias.
Hello, everyone. My name is Tobias Manayev, and I'm the Director of Logistics for the Hack RPI organizing team. So this morning, I'm going to quickly interrupt to tell you a little bit about our upcoming Fall Hackathon. So this year marks our 12th year of hosting the largest intercollegiate hackathon in the Capital Region, and it's taking place right here in the DCC and Low buildings on November 15th and 16th.
That's 2 weeks from now.
Yes, 2 weeks from now, right here. So at the event, you can expect to see a lot of students, about half from RPI and half from other colleges around the whole United States and maybe even some other countries, depending on what we're able to work out. And they're going to be working in teams of 1 to 4 on projects, basically addressing any issue they'd like to solve. So this year in particular, our theme is retro versus modern. So we're trying to get our students to come up with a way to blend cutting edge technology with retro aesthetics and maybe like old style gadgets that had potential but fell out of style to come up with a really cool solution. So it's a great opportunity to make projects if you're a student, or even just to look at what our students have created. During the event, we'll have free food, merchandise, drinks, and go to the next slide. These are the prizes we have available for those who are creating projects. We have a lot of options, so even if you don't win the main prize, you still have other prize tracks. Also, want to note that no experience is needed. We have workshops throughout the event that teach you about topics like Intro to Tech Stack and Agile Development, which will be hosted by Professor Sturman himself. Intro to Tech Stack by Wes Turner right here as well. So those will be really exciting. We also have mentors throughout the event, so it'll be awesome no matter how much experience you have. And yeah, that's about everything. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tobias.
Raffles.
Just the last thing I want to say about Hack RPI, it's an extraordinary event. We get 400 to 500 students coming from around the area, which is huge. We fill this room. It's pretty great.
So raffles, I'm not sure this is the updated slide, but anyway, we have a lot of things to raffle, and you will be given at 5 p.m. for this session. You will get here, you will be given the QR code to finish, to have your form. Survey form, and this survey form would be used for raffles. So the conditions here, the terms is here, you have to be present during the raffle. If you are out, if you're leaving, so you're not getting it, sorry, and the prize goes to another one.
This is how we get you to stay.
Ha, 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 ha.